Now the next item I want to unbox is more plugs. This says it's an 1.25 inch plug. Okay. It says it right there. Okay. Now let's take one of these and go outside and see how the fit is on this. Let's give it a second. These are from a company called Lamprey. You can see it right there. 1.25 inch pipe. Let's go see how this is going to fit. If this doesn't fit, then I'm going to have to go with a 1.5 inch plug, I guess. Let's go check it out. Okay, we're back out here again. Got a different plug this time. Let's see how the fit of this is. Yeah, that actually fits pretty good. That actually fits very well. So in this case, once that's in there, oh yeah. I can't even pull that out of there now. That's exactly what I'm looking for. And that'll do me fine. So these plugs are perfect. So the plugs from Lamprey are going to be the right ones. Okay? I'm going to put these back in the bag. I will return the bolt plugs, because obviously 1.25 inch is not 1.25 inch, right? And this will plug me up out there exactly how I need it. So got a perfect solution. I was kind of hoping these would work, but these did not work. Thanks for watching.